Where's my product? That is what inspired me to record this video, because I'm sure I'm not the only one that's been seeing some delays with my print-on-demand production partner of choice, which is Printful. Now, you guys that follow my channel know I also use a little bit of Gearbubble to fulfill some orders, primarily on Amazon. And before I was kicked off Etsy for no reason, I was also using Printify. So I've got some experience across the board with different production partners, but Printful's been experiencing some delays lately, and that led me to doing a video on how to utilize templates in Amazon's buyer-seller messaging system. So I'm going to be walking you through how to do that in this video. Before we get to that real quick, let me reintroduce myself. I'm Ryan Hogue. I've sold over $1.6 million on Amazon to date. I have a free print-on-demand mini course. You can check out a link in the description if you're interested. I've also got a print-on-demand Facebook community. We're helping each other out with things like what you see on this video. I publish transparent passive income reports each month, so you can follow my journey as an FBA seller, Amazon merch seller, print-on-demand seller, KDP seller. It's all out there for you guys to follow along. And I spent a ton of time writing a 60-plus lecture print-on-demand course. It honestly could be split up into like 3 different courses. Maybe in the future I'll do that, but right now you can get it at a discount, all bundled up into one course, 10 modules, 60-something lectures. Links in the description if you want to get your print-on-demand business going. Not just going, but like start killing it, start crushing it with your print-on-demand business. It's all there. So yeah. All right, back to the purpose of this video. Amazon's buyer-seller messaging system. If you've never seen this, then you will one day. I mean, it's one of these things that comes with making sales on Amazon. You are responsible for not customer service in terms of like handling returns, but you're responsible for customer service in terms of like communicating with your customers, whether it's FBA products, FBM products. In this case, I'm talking about FBM print-on-demand products sold through Seller Central, and contextually, in my experience with Printful or Gearbubble, both Printful and Gearbubble are seeing delays, so it's not like it's one way versus the other. I think I put Printful in the, well, I may put Printful in the thumbnail, we'll see. But anyways, in this screenshot, you don't see a number in the buyer-seller messaging little drop-down box on your Seller Central dashboard, but if you see anything other than 0, that means you've got a message you need to address. Amazon prefers that you respond to it in 24 hours or less, and they will throw like alerts at you. You get a big yellow triangle with a little, triangle with an exclamation point in it if you're over 24 hours. So they really take that seriously, and you as a seller need to protect your account and keep it in good standing, so you need to take this seriously as well. Anyways, I want to walk you through an easier way of managing the buyer-seller communications if you're repeatedly getting a similar request from your customers. In this case, I'm referring to shipping delays with, products that are fulfilled through, let's say, Printful or Gearbubble. So the first thing you're going to do, though, to get here, and this is really the way I do it. I'm sure there's another path to get here, but in your dashboard, across the top, you'll see that little bar. Right next to where it says Buy Box Wins, you'll see something that says Buyer Messages. If you just hover over it, it should expand out. And you guys know I sell not just on Amazon.com, but also on Amazon.co.uk. So I sometimes see numbers in each column, but in this case, I'm just going to use Amazon.com as the example. If you see a 0, you can still click it. It doesn't look like a link, but if you hover over it, it's underlined. Those are links. Click any of them to get to the buyer-seller messaging system for that market. Once you're there, you will see a screen with 3 columns. The left side column has your customer name. The middle column is where your message goes, and you'll see whatever message they sent you. The rightmost column, which is what you see here above my head, you're going to want to click Manage Email Templates. From here, you're going to click that Create Template button, and you'll see a screen that looks something like this. Now, in this video, I'm contextually giving an example related to the cerveza sickness of a message you can send to all your customers asking, where's my product? Where's my product? Where's my product? You can give them this generic answer, and the generic answer, I'm going to, on the next slide, show you exactly what I would recommend typing, but also I'm going to give you some context here. I have been, every time I get a customer asking where's the product, I go to Printful and I say, where's the product? I just transfer it to Printful, basically. Printful's got a generic response that they give me when I ask them. And essentially what I did is I took the generic response they sent me and I just tweaked it a little bit to make it appropriate for Amazon and generic so I can send it to all the customers. So basically, you're going to fill out the template name. I checked the favorite box since this is most likely going to be used quite a bit. I didn't use any placeholders. Template text, I just copy pasted. I'll show you what I copy pasted. And then tags, I didn't use any. So go ahead and write this in. Rather than read it to you on this video, if you guys want to use this, go ahead and just, while I duck down here, hit pause right now and just pause the video on YouTube and write all this stuff down. Actually, you know what? Maybe I'll put it in the description of the video for you. Make your lives even easier. By the way, if you end up using it from the description, all I ask is hit the like button. And if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Anyways, moving on. You're going to take this content, paste it in where it says template text, and then hit save. All right. After you do that, you'll be back at your buyer seller messaging system, and down at the bottom where you can type your response, you'll see a thing that says select template. Now, Amazon doesn't require you to use templates, but you can choose to. So I use a template for letting customers know that this product was fulfilled by Amazon. So basically, if they want a refund or anything like that, just like go to Amazon, use the standard channel. I have another one for the cerveza sickness shipping delay, and you can go ahead and click select template. Click that template and it will autofill it into your little text box. Again, if you use the content I provided here, you don't really need to do anything. You can sign your name at the bottom or save that as a part of the template if you want to do that. But other than that, just go ahead, click send, and you should be good to go. You should be able to go back to the dashboard where it tells you you have a buyer seller message you need to address. You can hit refresh. It should go to 0 unless you have other ones you need to address. But anyways, guys, these little I'm a programmer, I'm a web developer, studied IT, I teach IT at the college level. So I'm always thinking of not doing the same task twice. It's like if I'm going to do anything twice or 3 times or more times, and I have a chance of saving myself time from doing the repetitive task by maybe putting in a little bit of extra effort that first time, then I'm always going to do that. You know what I mean? So in this case, it's like creating a template. So now I'll never have to type out a long response to a customer again. I'll just click twice, it loads the template, and then I click a third time to send it, and I'm done. So I'm saving my future self a bunch of time. The same way that if you guys want to join me in passive income school, you'll be doing yourself a huge favor down the road because you'll be making money while you sleep. That's literally what motivated me to start all of these passive income side businesses while working 2 jobs as a 9-to-5 web developer, senior web developer, and then teaching 3 college courses every semester, guys. So if I can do it, so can you. It's a question of just deciding to put in the work. If you need guidance, I'm here to help. Check out the links in the description if you want to get in contact with me, or if you just want to check out any of my courses. I am here to help. Thank you guys for watching till the end, and I'll see you at the next one.
Passive Income School is open. Enroll now at ryansmethod.com. Thank you.